everyone, today we're going to draw Moana.
That's right, we are going to draw another Disney character today, and we're going to draw Moana. And Summer, what do we need for our drawing?
Sharpies, paper and alcohol marker.
So fast. We're using our Sharpies, we're using our paper and alcohol markers, but you can always use whatever you prefer to color with. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Let's start Moana. Okay, we are going to start Moana, and we're going to start with Moana's face, and we're going to draw 2 lines to start her face.
Yeah.
So we're going to draw a line slightly diagonal, slightly at an angle, and we're going to go down like that. So on that side. Very good. Perfect. And then let's draw another one on the other side. Excellent. Good lines. All right, now we're going to curve to the bottom of Moana's chin and then back up again. So we're going to go around a little bit, come down. Round it. Very good. And then we can go straight and then back up again. Good job. All right, now we can draw Moana's eyes. So we're going to draw 2 sort of oval shapes. So if we start with a line going down like this, and then another line on the other side.
It looks like a smiley face.
It looks like a smiley face already. And then we're going to draw 2 of the same lines we just did, right next to each other.
We can't.
That's it.
We can't like touch them.
That's right, we're going to draw a little curved line on the top here, and that's how we get like 2 kind of oval shapes. So we draw a curve at the top and the bottom.
This one's this one.
And the bottom. And then we're going to just leave a little highlight in her eye. So we're going to draw a little round bit. Very good. On either side, and then we can color in Moana's eyes.
We want to color that white bit.
Yeah, we're going to leave the white bit there. And then we can draw 2 little curved lines on top here. So this is her eyelash here.
Yeah.
At the top, on each one. Very good. And then at the bottom.
Why does Moana has 2 eyelashes?
Oh, we're just going to draw Moana how we like to. And this is the simple way to draw Moana. All right, very good. And let's give her a nice little smile.
You can do the smile however you want.
That's right. Okay, and now what we're going to do, we're going to leave Moana's hair until the last step, so it's a bit easier for us to draw. So we're going to draw Moana's arms. Actually, we're going to draw Moana's top first. So we're going to draw a little line under her chin that just goes straight across from here to there.
Can I draw my smile however
you can draw a reference point there if you want. Perfect.
Can I draw my smile however I want?
Yes, you can. You can draw your smile how you like to draw your smile. Wow, I like your smile. Very good. I'm going to leave a little one, but you got a nice big one. I like it. All right, next thing we're going to do, and this is for Moana's top, we're going to draw 2 lines coming straight down. Put a little more on there. Try to make them a little bit longer. That's it. Very good. And now what we're going to do is we're going to join the same as we drew the first line. We're going to join at the bottom. Awesome job. And then we're going to draw 2 little lines coming down again, just 2 short ones.
Why is it not connecting?
It will connect. We're going to connect with Moana's arms and shoulders.
Yeah.
So we're going to draw another straight line coming straight across. And now we're going to draw Moana's skirt. Yeah. So we're going to draw 2 lines that come out, stick out a little bit here, like that. And another one. Very good. I'm just going to make mine a little bit longer. Awesome. And now we're going to draw the same line here. We're going to draw on this side. So we're going to follow.
This looks like Cinderella.
Kind of looks like Cinderella's dress. Awesome. Now can you join this line with that one with a little bit of a curve? Very good.
You can do it wavy if you want.
You can do it wavy if you want.
A little wavy.
That's fine. And then draw a little line down like that. That's, perfect, right there. And then we're going to join these 2 lines together.
That's very wavy.
Very wavy. I like it. It's really good. Really, I really like your creativity there. And now we're going to draw kind of like a little triangle on the side. And this is Moana's arm. Her arm is going to be, her hand is going to be on her hip. So we're going to draw a little angle like that.
Like a little dance.
That's right, right there. Very good. And then we're going to bring it back in, right here. Very good. And now we're going to draw her arm. So her arm's going to come down and around that angle we drew. So I'm going to draw, if you follow what I do, we're going to draw a line like that. Very good. And then we're going to do a little bit around and then back in like that. Great job. You're doing an excellent job. Doesn't matter that our drawings don't look exactly the same. We're just having fun and we're practicing, aren't we? The next thing we're going to do is draw the other arm. And this is the one that's going to be holding her paddle. Because Moana is so good at sailing. She's the best. So we're going to draw...
You can also connect this if you want to.
You can. But let's draw her arm first. So we're going to draw a diagonal line just coming out here. Just like that.
And I have seen her video.
Very good. I'm going to make mine a little bit longer. All right, good job. And then what we're going to do here is, because we're not going to connect this just yet because we still have to draw her paddle. So we're going to draw a little round bit right here, and that's going to be her thumb, like that. Good job. You're doing a great job so far. And now what we're going to do is draw her paddle, and this is going to be a straight line. So we're going to draw a line like this, straight down. You can do a reference point if you want. Very good. And then carry on the straight line all the way down. Very good. And now we're going to draw the exact same line next to it. So we're going to draw like this all the way down. And we want to try to keep the distance the same between both lines. Good job. We want to do this step by step, so we're getting there. It looks a bit funny at the moment, but it's going to come together really nicely. And then you can draw a little line like that at the top, kind of like an upside down J. Amazing job. And now we're going to draw the oar part, the paddle part of our oar, and this is going to be kind of like a leaf shaped. So we're going to draw two lines. You can draw two lines coming out like this. Okay. And then on the other side, very good. And then we're going to join these two up at the top and back down.
That's not very pointy.
That's great. That's the perfect job there. Now we can finish off Moana's other arm. So we're going to draw a line from here, going to there. And then I'm just going to draw a little rounded bit over there for the rest of her hand. Good. We're almost done. We just got to do her legs and her hair. So let's finish off with, well, let's start with the legs. So we're going to draw...
We also need to do her necklace at the end.
Yes, yes, we do need to draw a necklace. You're right. Good job. I'm going to actually draw a line under here. Like you said, you can join that bit together. I think that was a good idea. Amazing. So let's draw her legs. So we're going to draw two lines coming down. One. That's it. And next to it, the same.
Same height.
Good. And over here, what we're going to do is kind of draw, kind of like the number 6.
Yeah.
So we're going to go like this. We're going to go down and up. But you don't have to join it.
Yeah.
So number 6. Very good. Perfect. Just like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw maybe a few little bumps here. Very good. And then we're going to join this at the top with the curve.
But these toes look so funny.
That's right. I think they're good toes. All right. Let's finish this line there. Good job. And then let's draw the same thing we did here. It's kind of like a backwards 6 this time. So. Good job. And then 3 little bumps again. And then we join it with a curve at the top. That's her feet. And then a line coming down. That's to finish off her 2 legs. And now we've got her hair. And she has really nice big curly hair, doesn't she? Great. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw from this side first. Maybe we can give ourselves a reference point over here.
Ding.
Maybe a little bit higher there. So you don't want to cross the eye. But that's all right. Perfect. All right. So what we're going to do is draw a few waves that come up to that point. And then on the other side, same thing, few waves. Good job. And you can give yourself a reference point right here. And I'm going to give myself one. So this side of her hair is going to come down here.
Yeah.
And that side's going to be on the other side, kind of like it's blowing in the wind.
Yeah.
All right, so let's go ahead and start drawing.
It's nearly time to color.
Nearly time for our favorite part, which is coloring. We're just going to draw her wavy hair quickly. Great job, I like that. And then we got this one, and you can give yourself a reference point here. You can maybe draw to there, and you're going to put all the waves in as you go. I'm going to start off a bit slow, and then I'm going to get wavy like that. Wow, your waves are really wavy. Good job. All right, and then our hair is going to go behind, and it's going to carry on being wavy. That's it. Down there, and then all the way up, just behind the body. And then we've got one last thing to do, and that's to finish off our oar and connect it. And last thing, what is it?
We need to do a necklace.
That's right, a necklace. So right over here, we're going to draw a nice circle. Over there.
It can be a big one.
Great, yeah, I like yours, perfect. And then what we're going to draw is just draw a bumpy line. You're going to true bumpy lines next to each other. Go like this, just bumpy like this.
I can't come out.
You can draw like that. If you're happy with that, that's great. I think I really like yours.
Yeah.
Great job, you've drawn Moana, and our favorite thing is going to be coloring. You ready to color?
Yes.
High five for you. Good job on
I did
Moana.
a highlight.
You did. Great job. Okay, let's color. Well, Summer, we have done an amazing Moana. What do you think?
Yeah.
Amazing work. High five for you. I really like your drawing. I like how you did your pattern a little bit different to mine.
Yeah.
And it doesn't matter that they don't look exactly the same. We had fun and we practiced our drawing. You've done different stripes on yours. You also have your necklace a bit different. But you've done an amazing job. Really well done. Yeah? Thanks
I
for...
like yours too.
Oh, thank you. High five from me. And high five for you guys. If you liked our drawing, don't forget to give us a like, a little thumbs up, and subscribe because we got loads more videos coming soon.
Yeah.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Dun, 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 dun.